The many, awesome, inspiring, wonderful adventures of Pumpus and friends.
Pumpus has a growing idea. Pumpus loved to read about great ideas and inventions. His favorite inventors were Grace Hopper and Thomas Edison. Pumpus had two best friends, Philbin and Philberta, who loved to hang out with him, especially when he went on gardening adventures. It was a beautiful spring morning. Pumpus and his friends were planning to plant their vegetable garden on a patch of land they had found in the woods that also had a well and a water tap. They started their hike early in the morning. The three friends hiked through the forest, over a stream, and reached the gardening spot by lunch. They were all ready to begin the fun gardening activity they had planned, but as Pumpus checked the well and turned on the water tap, he suddenly realized something. The tap had very little water coming out. "Oh no," said Philbin and Philberta, and they wondered if the fun they had planned for the day would be a distant dream. Luckily, Pumpus had brought his book of inventions, where he kept the best ideas of his favorite inventors. "BOON-dah!" Pumpus yelled. "I have an idea. Let's make our own trickler sprinkler," said Pumpus. "What is a trickler sprinkler?" asked a puzzled Philbin. "It says here in my book of inventions that a trickler sprinkler is a way of applying water slowly to the roots of plants," explained Pumpus. "How do you apply water slowly to the roots?" asked Philberta. "By using pipes, tubes, or a hose that have very tiny holes in them," explained Pumpus. He showed his friend the long hose that he had in his backpack. Philbin and Philberta grew excited. Pumpus quickly extended the hose and gathered the tools he would need in order to build the trickler sprinkler model, also known as a prototype. He was careful to follow all the safety rules and to wear gardening gloves. Pumpus made tiny holes along the hose, one every 12 inches, and was ready to place the hose in the ground. Suddenly, he realized they didn't have any mulch. "Uh-oh," said Philberta and Philbin, worried that the plants wouldn't grow if they couldn't keep the ground moist. But then, something happened. Pumpus quickly realized that the dry leaves in the forest, which were still on the ground from last fall, were similar to mulch. Philbin and Philberta quickly gathered lots of dry leaves, while Pumpus started placing the plants. The friends worked together until the dry leaves were placed around each plant. The leaves will help keep the soil around the roots moist as the water drips from the hose, Pumpus explained. And that's how a trickler sprinkler works. Before turning the tap on, Pumpus connected one end of the hose to the water tap and then sealed the other end to avoid any water leaks. Every 2 weeks, Pumpus and his friends returned to the garden to check on the progress of their plants. After 3 months, Pumpus and his friends returned to the garden and BOON-dah! There were beautiful, tall plants where they had planted them, and best of all, they had lots of vegetables. "Hooray!" said Philbin and Philberta in amazement. They gave Pumpus a big hug. That night, the three friends shared stories about their outdoor adventures, came up with ideas on how they could help protect the earth and snack on the vegetables from their garden. It was the best gardening adventure ever.